What up YouTube family, Devon on deck back with another Instagram tips video for you, and this one is about captions that connect with your audience. And as I've taught y'all before, social media is always more social than it is media. So the human factor matters so much, and in order to have influence over an audience, it really comes down to how much they trust you. And trust comes with connection. Connection comes with all the things I'm about to go over in this video right after this intro.
Ooh, I'm a pretty man. Ooh, that's that ugly style.
Now before I get started, I don't want you to get this video confused with my last one on how to trigger engagement. That was a little bit more on a fun note, how to really get more comments by giving your people things to do, depending on what you say. If you want to see that, I'll have a card come out and put it below. But this one is more so of the heart, how to really connect with people to build long-lasting audience relationships. So yeah, let's make that happen. The first tip on how to connect with your audience is to get intimate. And this is a mix of caption and how you take the photo. And one of the masters of doing this is my good friend, Claire Marshall. Now with this first photo, as you can see, she's chilling, literally just slicing a mango. However, she's in a robe, you're in her crib, it is more intimate, you feel like you're there with her, and she kept the caption really simple. Now if you're more of a creator, you're a photographer or something like that, maybe you can show behind the scenes. The things that people don't usually see, show them that. Give them access to your life, and I promise you, they will appreciate you for it in the long run. And speaking of being intimate, that leads me to number 2. Show somebody in your life that is important to you. This is easy to do on like Father's Day, Mother's Day, people's birthdays, or you can do like Blake Scott did here and just show somebody that is also in the same space as you that you have a strong relationship with. I believe in this photo, she got 11,000 with 142 comments, okay? Just because he was transparent, told a little story about their history, and that was the deal here. So if you really get intimate about the people in your life, the people that are following you feel like they're closer to you and are also in your life as well. So try doing that. Number 3 is to be transparent or vulnerable. A really good example of this is Rachel Aust or Aust. I'm not sure how to pronounce your last name, sorry if I'm butchering it, but the point is that she hadn't posted in a month. And for a lot of y'all that panic about that, you feel like,
if I don't post every day, if I don't post all the time, then I'm gonna lose followers, lose engagement.
She didn't post in a whole month and came back with one post with a transparent caption and did 16,000 likes. She usually gets about 8,000, 9,000 on a good photo, but she did double of that 8 just by being more transparent. And you see the caption kind of tells a story about, hey, I haven't posted in a month, I really want to give you an update, and went into a long story, but it really resonated with her audience because A, they missed her, and B, like I told you before, if it's quality content, they will wait on it, it will be worth it. Now before I get to this last one, if you're still watching this video and you haven't subbed to my channel, I strongly suggest that you do. Here I give you practical tips on how to present yourself better online, how to create better content, how to be more successful in social media, and I don't waste your time while I do it. On the other side of my channel, I teach you how to present yourself better in real life. Everything from how to dress better, how to smell better, how to have more confidence and make a strong impression. So if that sounds good to you, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon, and every time I drop a video, you'll be notified. The final tip on this list, number 5, is for those days where you just can't think of a caption. And for some people, that is all the time. And the number 1 method I use is to just steal a quote. Yes, you heard me. Steal a quote. And the website I use is called brainyquote.com, or maybe Brainy Quotes. I can't remember, but I'll put it down in the description for you. You can search any famous quote on there you want to. Just search a term like photography or success or, I don't know, baking, whatever your thing is. And usually you'll find like 50 to 100, even 1,000 sometimes, if it's a broad enough subject, on what you want to talk about that either inspire something you want to say, or you can literally just copy and paste it, put some quotes around it, give that person credit because that's the right thing to do, and you're good to go. Well, that's all I got for you in this video. If you enjoyed it, please give your guy a thumbs up. Just lightly graze that button for me. Any questions, any feedback, leave them in the comments. And if you haven't subbed to this channel yet, you know what to do. Hit that subscribe button, hit that bell icon. Thank you so much for your time, and I will see you on the next one. Peace.